Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Assess Chapter 4 Simulation Exam. If you do not able to do this exam, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this exam for you with A plus grade. So we will click on Start button. Assess Chapter 4 Simulation Exam. Click on Start button. I can do all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft Word, all Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access, and all other online courses. MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Statics, Economics, Java, Business classes, and many more online classes. If you need help in any class, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. Okay, so we'll click on Launch button. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. I will handle your complete course. I will do your R simulation training, R simulation exam, all cap assessment, cumulative assessment, all capstone assignment, and final exam with A plus grade. You will be free from this course. I will handle each and everything myself. Okay. Question number one is that select but do not open the sales by employees table. Use the form tool to create a form based on sales by employees table. Okay. Select but do not open the sales by employees table. Use the form tool to create a form based on the sales by employees table. Go to the create tab in the form group, click on form button. So close the form and save the form as sales by employees. Simply right click on sales by employees button and click on save as sales by employees and click on OK and close it. Create a separate form based on the employees info table. Change the title to employees info, split view and press enter. Create a new multiple item from based on the sales by employees table. Change the title to sales by employees multiple item and press enter. So we'll go to the create tab in the form group, click on more form button and click on split form. Change the title to employee info, split view, click on employee info and we will change this title employee info split view. EMPLY and Y employee info okay employees info split view. So and press enter. Create a new multiple atom from atom form based on the sales by info table. Okay, we will go to the create tab in the form group and we will click on more form button and click on multiple items. So change the title to sales by employees multiple items and press enter. We will change this title sales by employees sale by sale by employee multiple items and press enter. So create a navigation form with the horizontal tabs layout. We will go to the create tab in the forms group, click on navigation button and we will select horizontal tabs. Add the saved sales by employees form and the employees info form to the navigation form. We will add this. Add the saved sales by employees form and the employee info form. Okay. Sales by employees and employee info form to the navigation form. Employee info form and okay. Sales by employee and employee info form. Okay, this two form is added. 1 second. Implies info form is here. Where is implies info form? Okay, here is the imply info form. We will have to add. Okay, add the saved CLB implies form and the implies info form. Imply info form is here. We will have to add imply info form in navigation form. So add the saved CLB implies. Answer is done. Question is done. So I'm going to do next question of this exam. Is question number 2. Using the split form. Okay, my connection is there. Using the split form, change the commission rate for Stave button imply ID 5012 Stave button. Okay, Stave button to 0.325. Use the bottom portion of the form to select the record and then top portion to edit it. Okay, using the separate form, change the commission rate for Stave button 5012 ID. Okay, 5012 ID2. Commission rate for Steve Batten 5012 ID to 0.0325. 0.0325. Okay, question is completed. I have done 2 questions of this exam so far. The next question of this exam is question number 3. Please, if you do not able to do this exam, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp is shown on the bottom of the laptop screen. Shown at the bottom of the laptop screen, and my WhatsApp link is given in the description. With the sales by apply multiple items from open and layout view, reduce the okay reduce the heights of rows so that they are about half of their original height using the first cell in the form. Close the property sheet if necessary. Okay, with the sales by place multiple item form open and layout view, we will go to the design tab in the view group, click on view button and click on layout view. So reduce the height of row so that they are about half of their original height. Half of their original height. So change the font size of the employees ID label to 14. Employees ID label to 14. Close the property sheet if necessary. We will select this font size of employees ID label. So we will go to the home tab. We will select this employees ID and go to the go to the format tab in the font group and click on font size button, and we will select 14 font size of employees ID labels 14. So question is completed. Now I am going to do fourth question of this exam. So total question of this exam is 8. I am going to do fourth question of this exam. Change the layout of sales by employees form to tabular. Change the layout of the sales by employees form to tabular. We will go to the design tab in the view group. Click on view button. Go to the arrange tab in the table group. For change the layout of sales by employee form to tabular, we will go to arrange tab. In the tables group, we will click on tabular button. So switch the layout to stacked and then display the form in form view. We will go to the arrange tab in the tables group. We will click on stacked button. So switch the layout to stacked and then display the form in form view. Go to the design tab in the view group, click on view button and we will click on form view. So sort the actual sales field is descending order. Actual sale field is descending order. In the home tab, in the sort and filter group, first we will select actual sale field in the form and we will go to the home tab. In the sort and filter group, we will click on descending order button. So question is done. You can see on my laptop screen I have done 4 questions out of 8 questions. It's mean I have done 50% of this exam in my video. If you need complete solution of this exam, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email if you do not able to do this exam, or if you do not able to do this MyLab IT course, you can easily contact me. I will handle your complete course, or you are busy with your job and I am free here. I am available here for you 24 hours. I will do each and everything. I will handle your complete course. You will be free from this course. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, all cumulative assessment, capstone assessment, and final exam with A plus grade. And I can do all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access, MyLab accounting, MyLab finance, statistics, business classes, math classes, MyLab, all online classes, Cengage classes, and